I was held on a gunpoint outside my mother's apartment, and my sister at that time was wearing an abaya, and she used to cover herself. So literally, the guy just came to me and showed me the gun because I was wearing a jeans and a t-shirt, and he didn't go to her because she looked Islami.
For all film related interviews, reviews, and content, please like and subscribe to Pooja Talwar. You can also follow me on Twitter and on Instagram.
Ladies, it's an absolute pleasure meeting you all. जैसे मैं मीनू को कह रही थी, मैंने शो देखा था और मुझे रात को बड़े अजीब से सपने आ रहे थे जो इतने डरावने नहीं थे पर अच्छे थे. So मीनू, first I'm going to ask your leading ladies. I saw Sanam enjoying playing Zuvi and सरवत का मुझे लग रहा था जरा मैं थोड़ी सहमी हुई है पर फिर वो भर के बाहर निकलती है. So Sanam, tell me about when Zuvi came to you. I mean, you were really playing the part. It seems that you were enjoying being her.
I was. It was fun. It was fun to just. It was fun because this character that I've done after Katil was very confusing because there wasn't too much room and it was a very different character and I felt a little bit stuck at times. Or on TV, there's a typical role that you have to do, which is very unlike me. I have to play those characters. But Zuvi, you will keep saying she's not like me, but Zuvi has a streak that, okay, I might have in me. But she was just fun. It was just like, I did it with my eyes closed, I think. I think I had 1 or 2 sessions with Meenu. We discussed where we want to take Zuvi. And then we just shot and it was fun. And we'd come up with things on the spot. Sometimes I just, after 2-3 takes, I just do something. And I noticed in the final edit that Meenu kept some of those, which was nice. Just added more layers to Zuvi. I did enjoy her, you're right. I just had fun. It was comfortable. It was, I wouldn't say easy, but it was just a delight. And there's so many layers to her that it was just fun. Yeah.
I could sense that. वो कभी-कभी होता है ना कि आपका अंदरूनी जो होता है, सब कुछ बाहर निकलता है. And I could see you were tapping into something there. And Sarvat, we spoke for Chirel, so उसके बाद हम महक और वो जैसे आपका कैरेक्टर था पहले बहुत सहमी हुई लग रही है. फिर we see another layer, aspect to her personality. So what was that like when Mehak came to you on paper? I mean, could you relate to her or what was that like?
Yeah, I mean, Mehak is like an ordinary girl from, when you go back into the flashback, you see she's into love and poetry and romance. And then she believes, a lie that was told to her, but she believes as truth. And ऐसी लड़कियां बहुत हैं जो अपनी शादियों में खुश नहीं हैं and they're like this hopelessly romantic, sad, disillusioned, disoriented girls. So Mehak was very much like that and I've done roles, मजलूम से सकती हुई औरत की एक streak थी उसमें. But when she wakes up and what she does with that was very interesting for me. And funny that you're saying that हम सब ऐसे ही होंगे असली में. So just a few days back, I was having a tiff with my husband and he's like, all these roles that you're doing, it's, leaving an impact on you. So I turned around and I said, why do you think they cast me? Because I am an original Katil and Chudail, like. So I think all these women who you see playing their certain characters, there is a huge streak. I wouldn't call it a huge streak, but like a whole font going, which is very much like us. So Zuvi is naughty. And I felt when I saw Sanam's episode, we see a lot of Sanam like that on theater here, whenever she does theater. So we could, I could relate to Sanam as a theater actress there. And I don't know about me. I mean, you can be the better judge that किस तरह आपको लगा. मगर मुझे लगा है कि जिसने लिखा है उसके अंदर भी एक कातिल है, जिसने डायरेक्ट किया है, जिसने प्रोड्यूस किया है, हम सब के अंदर एक छोटा छोटा कातिल है जो उभर के बाहर है.
सही में कभी-कभी मुझे भी लगता है मैं अपना अंदरूनी कातिल बाहर लेकर आऊं. आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी, वो जैसे फम फताल का होता है हमारे सिनेमा में ना, गन ट्रॉटिंग, फाउल माउथ वुमन, I mean, we are all femme fatales in our own way, So and it's lovely. They're calling it feminine noir and they're calling it a whole lot of stuff. I think now we should do away with that trope कि औरत either grey है या black है या white है. There's a lot of grey in all of us. And it's nice to see you bringing that out. So how did this idea come about? कहीं किसी के बारे में आपने सुना था या सोचा कि मैं ऐसे बना लूं एक anthology?
Nay, there are kind of films that and work, that are inspired from life, and then, cinema is such a big part of our life that then there are stories that you want to tell, which are engaging from cinema itself, and so in this, my engagement, unlike say something like Zinda Bhag, this is completely on not a realistic level at one level. It is my engagement with archetypes. It's my engagement with storytelling, and centuries of storytelling, because Pooja, wo storytelling hi to life ko in a way impact karti hai na, what you're saying. Yeah. So like the fact that what you just said ki, I really find it irritating, like from black and white cinema, whether it's James Dean or Brando, we've been okay with flawed heroes, right? We've been okay with heroes who don't have a moral compass, which is okay. Jinki morality.
I agree with you.
Right? Whether it's Amitabh Bachchan as angry young man, whatever, we have accepted that. But it's on the women to keep the moral universe of the films on their shoulders. So wo chahe shuru mein chulbuli ho, bad, as you said, she might be, very cool or whatever, but in the end, morality jo hai na us duniya ki, wo uske shoulders pe hai. So that's like so irritating and annoying, and it's 2021, and thank you very much. If nobody else is doing it, we have to do it. And
Absolutely.
now we are going to have heroines, who are not going to bear that unnecessary burden, of आपका क्या सही है और आपका क्या गलत है, आप deal करें उससे, हम अपनी कहानी कह रहे हैं, and that's what Zuvi is. And Zuvi is playful, quirky, mad, and bad, and she wins.
Totally.
So it's like that. So that's
Want that.
Bilkul. And Sarvat, like I keep saying, is the revenge of the muse. From Sangam to whichever film, how often have you seen this triangle of two best friends loving the same woman, right? And that's bilkul. And it's always about the men deciding ki kaun kiski kya, So how do you get that woman, that muse or that whatever to come and say, idhar aaiye, main aapko batati hu, like kya karna hai yahan. So,
Exactly, I totally agree with that. And now I want to ask both the ladies, because Sanam, as I said, I have seen your filmography. You played very strong characters, whether it was a daughter who didn't want to take care of her parents, whether it was in case she was having issues with her siblings, or the other dil. And Sarvat, I saw you in Chudails as well. Magar wo hota hai na, as Meenu said, that moral compass. And aajkal ke zamane mein, I heard one of you say that we were starved for these roles. It's not just in Pakistan. I think women across are starved for stories like this and to play characters like this. But वो आजकल हमारे cancel culture भी तो इतना mainstream हो गया ना, ऐसी नहीं हो सकती है औरत. As actors, how is it for you? I mean, does that sometimes impact your choice of roles, or you rather just do what you believe in?
I feel that I've done so much of what I didn't believe in for so many years that I cannot stand that anymore. I mean, Absolutely. I have to agree with whatever moral compass, whether she's the anti-hero or the hero. I need to agree with her level of understanding, her morals, her values, even if they're questionable. I need to understand, I need to relate to them, and I need to be able to sort of elevate the concept of woman, because I do that in real life. And because I speak for women as a motivational speaker or as a, basically for different causes, I feel I can't talk about women and talk about elevating women and talk about having their freedom and then do roles which are very submissive and very anti and very different from what I'm saying. And I think it's about time, like Meenu said, it's the 21st century, and it's time that we are able to say what we're thinking, what's going on in our head. We're able to project that in an entertaining sort of manner, not in a depressing sort of manner, but then even if there is dark inside us, it's about time that we show that darkness, in a creative way.
True.
Yeah.
Yes, Sanam.
I agree.
Sanam?
I mean, I couldn't
Yeah.
agree more with what Sarvat's saying. You're looking forward to it. You've been waiting for roles like these. You've been doing roles that you weren't sure you 100% agreed with the character's arc. And also, we're older now. We were younger and hungrier then, and getting into the industry and kaam ko na nahi kehte, and you don't know which opportunity is going to turn out to be your big break, or which one is going to take off, or which one you should do according to which director and cast. I mean, you think of all these things, but at this point, you kind of really just work for yourself, and you pick roles that satisfy you, that make you feel good, that you want to put your time and energy and effort into. And it doesn't matter if it's a niche audience, if it's a big audience, or whatever the audience is. I do not work for a long time now for others. I only work for myself, to please myself, to make myself happy. So some people say, oh, but your films are not box office hits, or your dramas are just very niche market, or very stereotypical roles. वो एक है जो कशफ सबको, उसके बाद में सबकी बहन भी बन गई थी, तो वो मुझे किसी और नजर से देख भी नहीं सकते थे. तो मैंने कहा भाई, I'm an actor, I have to have versatility in my body of work, show some like variation and do different types of roles, and just always kind of made it clear to people that I do it for myself and not according to how people think I should act or what kind of roles I should do.
और आपको पता है यहाँ आप सबकी फेवरेट कश्यप है, उस मूवी को देखेंगे उनको तो बस दौड़ाना पड़ जाए,
दिल का दौड़ाना पड़ जाए, बिल्कुल.
But Meenu, and now this to all three of you, I want to ask, वो हम एक trope होता है ना जो हम Asian women के साथ लगा रहता है, subcontinent की women के साथ, which is that one thing that you want should retire now in narratives. एक तो I feel feminist movies, female director, ये तो आप इसको निकाल ही दीजिए, and which is the other thing that you feel कि narratives में से retire कर दो.
I mean, I already said, what I said right now about this aspect of wanting
Morality.
Heroines, and Sarvat made a good addition to that, because that morality is not the morality of the woman. It's not her. She's carrying the burden of a male universe morality, in which the man doesn't need to carry that burden. This is so bizarre, if you know what I mean. So you can have the hero be bad, but you cannot have that happen. So I think it's kind of, when we say ki ab, like if for something like Qatil Hasina, I think what is interesting is that these are women who've been seen as vamps, right, for so long. They've taken over the storytelling, and they're telling their stories, and they are heroes. So they've completely changed that dynamic within the entire tale. And I think I think I would retire that, and I would just say that I think we just have to get into all these zones of storytelling and take over, just take over. That's it.
Absolutely. And
I feel,
Pooja,
I feel my most cringing aspect of this is, how जीन्स पैंट पहनने वाली औरत जो है वो बहुत तेज और ब्लैक है, और जो ईस्टर्न कपड़ों में होगी और लिबास में होगी वो बहुत ही सती सावित्री और परफेक्ट है. I feel I want to take people out of the screen and take that away, because it's just done to death, and it's actually affected the society on some level, I feel, because
agreed.
I mean, I remember that I was held on a gunpoint outside my mother's apartment, and my sister at that time was wearing an abaya, and she used to cover herself. So literally the guy just came to me and showed me the gun because I was wearing a jeans and a t-shirt, and he didn't go to her because she looked Islami, and I was just furious at his choice. And I feel that our entertainment has a lot to do with that, because जितने भी आप पीछे चले जाएं सिनेमा में, जो फहाश लड़की थी उसके कपड़े हमेशा छोटे और कम और वेस्टर्न होते थे, और जो अच्छी लड़की थी वो ढकी छुपी और साड़ी या दुपट्टे में होती थी. So I feel we need to take that out, and I would do anything to take that out from stories, you know.
And absolutely. And the other thing is also the status of a woman. It does not matter whether she's single, whether she is unmarried, or, you know, she's divorced, or whether she's married. एक तो ये भी तो है ना हमारे यहाँ पर shaming बहुत हो जाती है. तो वो I think it's wherever you are.
And age, I think age is another one, you know, like
ageism, yeah.
Yeah, you know,
That
so
a woman
like,
can't play a
and I
certain-
think Meenu, you really tackled it well with the second episode, you know, and it just comes out of the blue, and you're like, oh my God, yes, this is another thing that we have to deal with, you know, and Pfizer just played it so well.
Absolutely. And वही है जैसे कैंसर कल्चर की बात हो रही है, वो आपके यहाँ हो या हमारे यहाँ हो या यूरोप में हो, अमेरिका, it's all over the place. Do you think as actors and creators it would impact your creativity in क्या दिखाएं, क्या ना दिखाएं, कैसे दिखाएं, कितना दिखाएं?
Absolutely.
yeah, I mean, I think, look, the way that you can approach storytelling, Pooja, at the point that you're actually creating work, is that you have to keep a lot of voices out, you know, of your head and of your, even if, you know, even if they are coming up, even if the doubts are emerging, because we had Sanam was saying about how she chooses roles, but at the end, any creator, they cannot write for you cannot, आप एक audience को अपने ऊपर नहीं कर सकते हावी while writing, you know, you have to create your work, you have to create your stuff in a kind of in some freedom, you know, and then you hope that it will land in the right place, right? And there will be people who will embrace it. I think that's it, because if you try to do it the other way around, then I don't think we would have been able to make Qatil Hasina Ke Naam. No way. I don't think it could have happened.
True. And Sarwat, I want to ask you, because on the Churel Theatre, it was a male director's perspective on the female, you know. And when you have a female, I'm not saying female director, I mean, whatever, a woman's perspective on a woman's story, how different is it? Or
I just felt like Asim has grown up with 3 sisters and a mother. So he has a very good understanding of what women go through in our society, to be frank. But yes, I feel that he had to run his content by a lot of women to get a sense of, am I stating this emotion right for the female? While with Meenu, because she's a female, it just comes naturally, you know, and she didn't have to run it by anybody. And in fact, there were times where she would give her own example or some example that took place in her life, and it was more relatable because it was real and it was not in a universe that was superficial. So I feel with women writers and directors, it just comes naturally, and they don't have to calculate that feeling or that emotion or that you know, that वो क्या कहते हैं, volcano एक अंदर से जो औरत का निकलता है, वो एक औरत बहुत अच्छे से समझती है, and it comes effortlessly. So I think that's one thing that I felt was different between the 2 directors that I worked with, who are telling a story about women collectively coming together and elevating each other, you know.
And up Cassie, like story that you want to see should play out, because I mean, we've got 2 very thought-provoking narratives like Churel, and now we've got this. What more would you want to see should play out? Because also this show touches upon a whole lot of things which are taboo, which we should not show on screen. कि हमारे यहाँ तो नहीं होता है ऐसे, you know. But now, what more do you want to see going forward that we should touch upon and we should talk about openly?
You know, I think there are such amazing unsung heroes around us who are females, and we don't talk about their stories. So I think a real life story or a collective story of women who are already around us and how they've sort of become a Qatil Hasina in their lives, in their real professions.
Thank you so much, Meenu and Sarva. Such a pleasure speaking to you. If you're wondering where is Sanam, she had an urgent call to take, so wo chali gayi. But I'm looking forward to more such narratives and such stories that help us embrace all shades of us, the 100 shades of being a woman. So keep this lovely content coming and keep telling stories like these. And thank you so much.
If you've liked this interview, please like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram.